1987 Chevy p30 box truck. Well, process of cleaning the rust off. This is the side that was seized up. Have to, well, this I do this anyway on the drum brakes. I grind out the little edge here, but this one, since it's been sitting, I just went ahead and tried to clean it up as much as possible. Well, now it just needs to be washed out. The wheel cylinder, actually I think I should be able to keep the shoes on. Okay, this truck is getting done at least, I mean, with less parts, as less as possible. So we are leaving everything, but the emergency brake cable, I messed with it. I can pull it back, but it doesn't pull back by itself. So what to do with this, I have no idea, because if somebody pulls the emergency brake, gonna be back to square one. Here you can actually, if you put it on the e-brake, then you can push the pads to be in position where you can remove these guys, and then you can pretty much remove the cylinder. But here it's very, very tricky, very tight spot over there. I need to get an offset wrench. What else did I clean? Axle. Got everything ready here. I need to bleed the master, bench bleed the master cylinder. What else? Pretty much get this one cleaned up. Yeah, what I use, if it's got big edge from the brake wear, I use a disc like that, but have to make sure you don't keep it in one spot. You got to like move it, and then I use a disc like that to smooth it out. Never keep it in one spot, you're gonna make vibration. Pretty much just like that. And the wire brush, so pretty much have to wash everything. Just, I don't know if I wanna do it right now. It's supposed to rain, but that's the process. Right, thank you.